I do want to share something that I found. It was either on Reddit or someone's email newsletter. I can't, well, maybe it could have been social. I can't remember where I found it. I'm sorry for not, giving you props for that. But the ShadowSVG generator, it looks like a cool HACS integration. So it can show the sun or moon position and shadows against a house. So essentially, you can get an SVG layout or outline of your house, and then this will then have a picture of or an icon of a sun, and then cast a shadow over your house. And this is actually really interesting because I've always struggled with like the automations of my blinds based on what angle is the sun at, what's the azimuth, what's everything else. This integration allows you to see like a nice shadow of your house. So yeah, I guess great for dashboards, but I'm hoping that you could then leverage that into automations, right, and make those automations a bit tighter. So I thought that was a really cool integration. Nice to see, random little HACS things popping up here.
Yeah, that's cool. Well, and a lot of people have their dashboards as their like homes, right? Like sometimes you have a picture of your house, sometimes you have the home layout. Whatever that looks like, you can take that and wrap it in a nice SVG there too, right? And just
Yeah,
say, hey,
exactly.
here's my house and here's the sun against my house, I guess.
Yeah. So, yep, if you're interested, go have a look.